Hello, this is the third segment here. So in this particular lesson, there's no assigned homework. This is the homework. We're going through and looking at the variety of applications that you're going to see in QAO. So there will be an exit card for you to try out when you finish. So anyway, let's finish this up. There are 260 grade 9 students at high school. 80% of these students attend a dance. Half the grade 9 students who attend the dance buy their tickets at the door. How many grade 9 students who attend the dance buy their tickets at the door? All right, so let's first of all figure out how many grade 9 students attend the dance. So that's the first segment here. This is a lot of words. Still, we know we have 260 grade 9s. 80%, remember 80%? That gives us two numbers, 80 over 100. We want to know, out of that 260, it's our total, how many grade 9 students attended the dance? Cross multiply, so we get 80 multiplied by 260 equals 100A. Divide by 100. Oops, finish that up. So we end up with, out of those 260, 80 times 260 divided by 100 gives us 208. So therefore, 208 grade 9s attended. Now, that's not the answer to the question, right? It says half the grade 9 students who attend the dance bought their tickets at the door. So that's a nice finish to that, because half of 208 is 104. So the question is, how many grade 9 students who attend the dance buy their tickets at the door? Therefore, there were 104, because half of the 208 that attended, half of those bought the tickets at the door. All right, so half of 208 is 104. Okay, last one. So in 2003, 50% of the 64 members of the environmental group voted to protest a new development. In 2004, with a membership of 85, 40% voted to protect the same development. How many more members voted to protest the expressway in 04 versus 03? So we're just doing a comparison here. So we're going to be comparing two proportions. So in 2003, 50%, so that's 50 over 100 equals some number out of the 64. So that's 2003. 2004, we had 40% out of 100, but now the membership has changed to 85, so more people have joined the group. Now, 50 out of 100, that's half of that, so 32. I don't have to go through and do all the calculations. I just set it up just to show the comparison of how I would do it. In B part, though, I'm going to have to go through and do the calculations. So we have 40 times 85 equals 100B. We divide that by 100. And that will give us a B value of 40 times 85 divided by 100, 34. So, therefore, only two more members voted. Two more, I guess, people voted to protest. All right? So a little bit deceiving. Went from 50% to 40%. So you lost the percentage, less percent voted to protest. But in the end, it actually ended up more people voted to do it. So it's kind of the neat thing with the numbers. You can make it sound worse than it is. So if I was someone saying, oh, less people care about this freeway project than in 2003, I have the statistics to show it, because I'd say, look, 50% voted to protest. Now there's only 40%. So obviously, less people care. But the club then can turn around and say, no, that's not true. More people actually voted to protest. So this is something we call, when we get into the later grades, you're going to do some statistical bias. This is where you can play with the numbers. It's not lying to omit parts of the truth. It's just not you know, ethically, right? But anyway, as I said, there is no homework. This was the homework. That's why the videos are so long, going through, so you get to see a variety of EQAO questions. You get to go right to the exit card and see how that goes. So anyway, if you have any questions, make sure you ask your teacher, and we'll see you in the next video.